And these concepts of dependency management and building the application artifact and so on are similar to other programming languages. Like in Python, for example, we have a special tool called pip, which is also a package manager like npm. Plus you can add scripts and execute those commands. You have a dependencies file there, like similar to package.json. And if you want to run the Python application, you package Python app in a compressed file, zip or tar, unpack on server, install the dependencies, and start the application from the unpacked folder. So as you see, there are some patterns in these tools. Like each has their own dependencies file, package.json, pom.xml, build Gradle, and so on, where the dependencies and the versions are listed. They all have some kind of repository where the dependencies are searched and downloaded from. Each has a set of commands and command line tools for executing commands like test, version creation, packaging the application, running the application, and so on. And you can even add some commands to them. These tools manage the dependencies, so they help you download the libraries and code dependencies that your application needs. So they're package managers. And as we saw, each language has its own. Gradle and Maven are package managers for Java. JavaScript has npm or yarn. Python has pip, and so on. For different languages, there are also tools that build the application, compile the application, resolve the code structure, and so on, like Gradle or Maven again for Java, or Webpack and Grunt for JavaScript, and so on. So whatever language or technologies you use, the concept should be very similar.